So students, we are going to do the trigonometry, which is the chapter for the 10th class, chapter 8 CBSE board, and for the 9th class, chapter 17 ICSE board. In Scottish High, there is a book, M.L. Agrawal, in which chapter 17 trigonometry is given. So let's move try for 3, gono for sides, metry for measurement. 3 sides measurement. So let us suppose in chapter A, B, C, angle B is 90 degree, which is mandatory, that one angle should be of 90 degree. And this is base, and opposite to 90 degree angle there is a side which is called hypotenuse, and this is perpendicular. So now we will use Pythagoras theorem to take out these all 3 sides, because if any 2 sides are given, we can find out the third side by using the formula Pythagoras theorem, which is h square hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So there is one more magical formula that you can just enjoy this formula to find out the all sides, that is Pandit, P for Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bhole Sona Chandi Tole. So what is this? This P is the perpendicular, B for base, P for again perpendicular, H for hypotenuse, H for again hypotenuse, B for base, S for sine theta, C for cos theta, T for tangent theta. So there are 6 trigonometrical terms. Number 1 is the sine theta. Theta is the angle. This is the angle between the hypotenuse and the base. This is the theta. Now sine, so we take the first 3 letters and we denote it as SIN, sine theta. Number 2 is the cosine theta. So again we take the first 3 letters and this is cos theta. Next is the tangent theta, means tan theta. Again 3 letters. So cotangent theta, cot theta. Again secant theta, sec theta. Again cosecant theta. So we can't take 3 because it will just be similar, cos and cos. So we take in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. So that will become cosec theta. So there are again few formulas that how I will get the sine theta. So sine theta is P by H. So you can use this formula, Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bhole Sona Chandi Tole. So sine theta is equal to, from here, P by H, and cos theta is from here B by H. Quite interesting. T for tan theta, that is equal to P by B. Now listen very carefully, students, that cot theta is the reciprocal of the tangent theta. So we can write that cot theta is equal to 1 by tan, means just reciprocal P by B, it will become B by P. And now sec theta is equal to opposite of sec, cos, that is 1 by cos, means H by B. Quite interesting. Cosec theta is equal to reciprocal of sine theta, means we will just reciprocate of sine theta. This is P by H, we will reciprocate, it will become H by P. Hope you have got something, that how we got the formulas, simple formulas of sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, cotangent theta and cosec theta. So in my next video you will see that how we calculate these all values from exercise 17.1. We will do exercise 17.1 of ICSE book, 9th class. and exercise 8.1 of CBSE book 10th class. Thank you.